Hello friends, welcome to DIY. I have something for show you. That is the foil paper. I will use this for upcoming DIY projects. So let's unbox it. This is the bill. I bought it from Amazon. There is 84 only, and it is 18 meter long. If you like to buy, you can check link in the description below. This is the bill, and let's unbox. Best packing of Amazon. You can look here. This is very big box, but the foil paper, the company box size is very low, and there is nothing in the box. Let's open the box. And this is our foil paper. You can see here 18 meters long, and it will use in kitchen or our upcoming DIY projects now. So thank you for watching. Please share, support and subscribe.